State asigi Yelhou Hei-Ra Amadi mana-masing shing asi Ningthina branding Touduna Mapal Da Thadokpa ngamnaba hotnaba Mathou Tai haina. Central Agricultural University ki Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra na phongdorakli. Wafam asi College of Food Technology CAU Lamfel Partner sinduna ngasi dagi numit nini chupna chathagadaba workshop cum exhibition of innovations and entrepreneur in food processing hongdokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane. National Technology Day Gamari Lainana Lamfel Pata Laiba, Directorate of Extension Education, Central Agricultural University ki Pilot Plan of Kofti da Pangthokpa Thoramadu Gamari Lainana, CAU ki Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra na hai. Ngasi Pangthok liba Thoramase National Technology Day Gamari Lainana Pangthokpane. Manipur asi Hei-Ra Amadi mana-masing ki potential yamna laiba state amane. State asida fangliba chakhau, umorok, kihom amade, kachay lemon asi atokpasing na yamna pamnay. State asida fangliba pothok sing asi Ningthina branding Touduna Mapal Da Thadokpa Mathou Tai. Ngasi pangthok liba exhibition amade workshop asi maruoina lamdam asida fangliba Hei-Ra Amadi mana-masing ki pothok asi raw natraga process tauraba form da miyamda utpane. Tauramasina lamdam asigi entrepreneur sing maruoina haurakliba entrepreneur sing da achauba platform ama pire. University asina Northeast region ki bioeconomy asi hena chawkhatnaba honari haina mahakna makhatakhi.
Whatever strength we are having in Manipur in the form of fruits, spice, vegetables and rice, we want to all showcasing our strength in the raw form and as well as in processed form. And one of the most important, we are providing the platform for all agri entrepreneurs so that they can learn from each other. What is the difficulty they are facing in marketing or packaging or in pricing, and what type of support they are getting from the government, state or central government. That way we are encouraging our young entrepreneurs in the form of startup farmer producer company, farmer producer organization, and with the help of our state government, we are integrating programs and scheme of central and state both. So that is our strength of Northeast. We are enhancing our bioeconomy in the region. There is a lot of potential for our black rice, for our pineapple, king chili, our kachai lemon. So many strengths we are having, but still we have to capitalize all those things. We need some branding part so that we can export also, and we are also getting help from our horticulture department. They are also encouraging, they are also deeply involved in promoting young agripreneur. That is our main motto.
From schools to startups, igniting young mind to innovate haiba themda pangthokiba thoramadu ga mari leinana College of Food Technology CAU Imphal ki Dean Professor Ngasepam Iboyaiman hai food processing industry asi Manipur da yamna maru oiba industry amane. Food processing industry da changliba machak sing asi lamdam asida fangliba pothok sing na ayamba oiba amade marketing da so hena khudong chaba ama fangba oibana food processing industry asi state asida tungkoi na hinghanba yaba industry oi. Industry asi mapung fana hinghanbagi pandam da ngasigi thorambase pangthokpane. Industry asigi manung channa lairiba singna amata oina amana amagi mateng pangnaduna honarabadi chawkhatpa ngamgani haina mahakna makhatakhe.
Koigi food processing industry se koina masi yamna maru oiba koigi hariba Manipur sida ko sustainable industry oigada se food industry neba ate industry di ayamana for example helum hare ko helum masidi hariba langsi mapanda ki depend to buneba artisan craft haraga so yam hairaga so asida koigi mapan gi mi tourist lakta banina ko adugumba leitabani yamna marketing problem lakpa adu hariba food sidadi sadaba yadabanina ekoi lejeriba raw material mayam se leire aduna nasida koi expertise food processing koi gi food technology satra expertise mayam se draka lakpaneba madu yeng matam sida ekoina koi gi college of food technology haiba ko CAU gi makha da koi college tara humdu gi manungda ekoi gi ama china machine lead oraga Manipur lamenda leise sina lead oraga na koi Manipur sida karamba food processing gi line da education institute lege yang watam da koina khongol laga maru oina akhoi gi ngasai gi DM college leiba vocational course Manipur University leiba adagi SK college koi gun college GP college adagi Waikom the Birahari college so many moi mayam si ngasai gi Dil Dayal this one adugi akhoi APC APO mayam si loinok puttal mari le na ngakta ne ba masi mayam si akhoi na platform ama katang sem je na khambada masi da akhoi na lead toraga koi gi MoMA koi gi Department of Horticulture Soil Conservation sina moina nungsi bine sponsor to biraga hariba program se ekhoina sembane ba
ngasi ke thoram adu da CAU gi Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra Thangzam Agro Industries Private Limited ke Managing Director Thangzam Joy Kumar Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation ke Director Dr. K. Debabatta CAU के Director of Instruction Dr. Indira Sarangthem, CAU के Director of Research Dr. LM Karnayak, CAU के Director of Extension Education Dr. PH Ranjit Amade, College of Food Technology CAU के Dean Professor NG Iboyaiman Mathang Sitna Chief Guest of Honor Amadi President Oina Sarukyake. Ngasi के exhibition aduda lenga के Department Food Technology College Food Entrepreneur Farmer Producer Organization FPO amade Farmer Producer Company singe tungan ba stall kuntra humdoi hangduna makoy na putokli ba potok sing amade service sing miyamda utke